issues recently. There is a lot of background noise. I live in a place where there is a lot of homes here, and there are like kids there. There are like dogs here. There is a factory right next to my house which makes constant noise. So for it to work better, I had to decrease the audio level all the way down and bring that mic closer to my mouth. I didn't have any stand to hook the mic on. See, this is what I'm talking about. All this background noises, kids playing all the time, dogs barking, everything. And my parents fight a lot. So to avoid that, I ordered this. So let's open and see what is it, huh? If you don't have enough money for a light, you can always use your laptops as a light. Don't buy with your money or your parents' money. Female to male. So this is a 25 feet long aux extender. As you can see, as you can hear, there are like a lot of noises here, right? Like kids playing, dogs barking and everything. If I have the audio level all the way down, I need to get the mic right up my face. So you know that there's a Rode micro and the wire is like this much. So I need an extender basically from the camera to the mic. This is what I've come up with, and let's see what's in here. Table mount, mic holder, the stand itself. I'm gonna set up now. So now I can have this mic to my face and you guys don't hear all the background noises anymore. Is this overkill? Yeah. But is it cool? Yeah. Cool. I'm all for it. Cool. Keeping it, loving it, everything it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.